Yo, AwkwaManBeats here, just in the studio working on some music. I wanted to share a tutorial with you guys on how to create melodic variation within chordal progressions. It's a really quick and easy technique. Today I'll be working in Logic Pro X, but this is applicable to all digital audio workstations, whether you're working with Pro Tools, Reason, FL Studio, Ableton, etc. So let's get down to business. So I usually like to start out with a 4-chord progression. So nothing fancy, just a 4-chord change up, working off of 7th chords. Now what I usually do once I have a basic 4-chord progression like this, I will go in and I'll duplicate the instrument up to about 4 times. All I do from here, cut them up like so, and then you can just move each one of these into a different instrument. And what that does is it guarantees you that all of your chords are going to work together because they started with one sound, but they can be changed up through different instruments to give it a different feel. So you get a little bit of variation throughout your song and your listener's not so bored. Now I'm going to throw an arpeggiator on one of these. So I'm just going to isolate this one out real quick, listen to it. See, that's already sounding pretty cool. So far we've got this. And we'll make this another instrument. And then this last one, speed it up a little bit. See, and I like those two right there. What I would probably do is just like, make a basic beat from here. I'll just plug in something real fast. That's basically what I do in a gist. From here, you can try experimenting with different instrument combinations and see where your creativity takes you. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys felt like you learned something today, feel free to drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all new tutorials that I put out. And for quality beats, go to AwkwaManBeats.com.